Put gelatin in your bathroom toilet, and you'll be surprised by the result. After learning this, I started saving a lot of money. To begin our simple tip, add 7 ounces of hot water to a container. Then add a packet of gelatin. Make sure to pick one with a scent you like. After that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. The salt will help eliminate bacteria from the toilet as well as enhance the disinfectant smell. Which is our next ingredient. Add 5 ounces of your favorite disinfectant. Again, it's important you pick one that you like the smell of. After that, just mix everything well. This will leave your bathroom very fragrant. For sure, your guests will be surprised by the smell of your bathroom. After mixing well, we're going to need a plastic bottle like this one. What you'll do now is cut off this top part, and then pour all of our mixture inside. Next, take it to the fridge and leave it there for a few hours. After that, remove it from the fridge and take out all the mixture from the bottle. Do this with the help of scissors. See how easy it is. Then just cut it into several pieces, just like I'm doing in the video. And what we've just made are wonderful homemade sanitary stones. Super potent and also super fragrant. And to use it is quite simple. We're going to need a disposable mask. Just go ahead and remove one of the elastics, and then cut this part. After that, put our toilet stone inside the mask, then tie it with the other elastic, and it's ready. It's ready to use. Now remove the lid from the toilet tank and hang the mask here. It's crucial to make sure that the stone remains in direct contact with the water, thus releasing all its properties. This is great for removing yellow stains, grime, dirt, and bad odors, especially that unpleasant smell of urine. This tip will also keep your bathroom fragrant for hours. Whenever someone flushes, an incredible smell will spread throughout your bathroom. And its lifespan will depend on how many people use the bathroom. The more flushing, the shorter the lifespan. But one of these stones lasts an average of 10 days, and whenever the fragrance stops coming out, just put another stone inside the mask. And your bathroom will smell good again. All of this without spending almost anything. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.